it so much.
You love the
This
weekly
will
one?
be Liam's Hut Friday
Okay, I'm gonna get you a
video.
Zayn, have you got your own YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Making coconut cake. Yeah.
Wow, I've never made coconut cake before. Are you gonna make a cherry cake or a cherry pie with all these cherries you picked?
What are you gonna do with your cherry?
We pick it. Let's taste it. 1 and 2.
Who are you speaking to, Zane?
A boy.
Oh,
I YouTuber.
yeah. Look, he's smiling.
Daddy Shay.
Yeah.
Hi everybody, I go cherry picking.
Yeah. Are you cherry picking today, honey? So, are you going to share it with your friends?
Yeah.
And what is at the back of you? What is this vehicle? What is that? Is that a tractor or something?
That's a vehicle. That's for the farm.
Oh, that's for the farm, huh?
Yes, that's farm vehicle.
Oh, nice.
And we have another bag. Set it big wheel to the small wheel.
Okay.
That is the motor.
Okay, that's a motor.
This is the truck. I told you that. Hi. I had fun today and picking cherries. I mean, yeah. How does this?
Right, let's go, guys.
Do you like the ride? Okay, you gotta sit. Mommy, sit.
All right, guys. We're going.
And if it's sweet, I pick the whole tree.
And one time, Tata was taking all the cherries, and then he pooped his pants.
Are you gonna bake something good with that?
What are you going to bake?
What are you gonna bake? You like to bake?
Yeah.
You know I like to bake too.
I made coconut cake today.
You're gonna bake
Yes.
a coconut cake today.
But what are you going to do with your cherry, honey?
Did you look at it again?
Have you ever baked a? What? Oh, it broke.
Oh, maybe the basket is broken. Don't step on it, buddy.
Zane. It's no problem. I'll fix it. Thank you, Zane.
This is nice.
Let's put it in Leo's bag. Oh, honey, that's okay. Look, all you have to do, you slide it right through here. It's because your cherries are so heavy. Look, fixed.
Zane just made a new friend, guys.
And I could have still
I'm a
been.
video blogger.
It's easy.
Are you picking cherries or are you eating cherries? Mm-hmm.
I want it.
Hold it, hold it.
Two, three. 1, 2, 3. Let's test it. 1 and 2. 2.
It's a huge farm. Very huge farm. Zane loves picking the cherries. Don't swallow the seed.
Pick some cherries.
I want that one.
Mm-hmm.
And I think, boom, and boom, and boom.
So I'm just going to show you how to pick the cherries, okay? So you grab a bunch, you're gonna look for those that looks really nice, right? You're going to look for it, and basically I just pull it out like this. Pull it out of the stalk, right? I mean, some of you will be saying, oh no, just grab this off the stalk, but if you want it to last a bit longer, this is how you would pick it, right? Okay, look at this bunch. Ensure that they're all good, and then you put it in your basket. And that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It is so cool outside. Today is actually the first day. Plenty cherries to pick. Come out with your families and friends. Head over here to the Cherry Avenue Farm. How is it called? What is they doing at the back there?
Why did you take your shoe off?
Come, honey. Just show me walking around. Show me walking around looking for cherries. I got a good bunch over here. Look at this. This is look at this. This is very red and nice. Look at that, guys. Look at this. You just pick them on the stalk so it lasts a bit longer. You know something? I'm going to taste this. Don't know if it has pesticides on it or whatever it has on it, but that's a very sweet tree. If you pick one that is on the tree and it's very sweet, you just stay on this tree. You don't have to go anywhere. Just stay on this tree, pick everything that is on this tree, then you move on to the next. I got so much right here. Oh, you were trying to get me a shot from the up there or something?